Hi friend, welcome to our YouTube channel Learn ArcGIS. In this video, I am going to show you how to prepare hillshade map using digital elevation model in ArcGIS software. Please follow all steps to get the hillshade map. If this video is helpful and improve your knowledge, please subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe our channel.